So in this lecture, we will be discussing about circuit switching. Circuit switching system is further divided into analog system switching system and digital system switching system. So coming to analog switching circuit switching system, a basic analog cellular system consists of three systems, subsystems: a mobile unit, a cell site, mobile unit, and a mobile telephone switching office with connections to link the three subsystems. This is the data link connection, voice links. This is the mobile telephone switching office. This is the cell site, and this is the mobile. These three are the basic subsystems that consist of the analog circuit switching systems. So analog circuit switching system, mobile units, a mobile telephone unit contains control unit, a transceiver, and an antenna system. So all we know. A cell site provides interface between mobile telephone switching office and the mobile units. It has a control unit, radio cabinets, antennas, a power plant, and data terminals. Coming to mobile telephone switching office, it is a switching office. It is the heart of the central coordinating element for all cell sites, contains a cellular processor and cellular switch. It interfaces with telephone company joint offices, controls call processing, operations, maintenance, billing. Everything is taken care of the mobile telephone switching office. The connections are radio and high-speed data links connect the three subsystems. Each mobile unit can only use one channel at a time because it is analog circuit switching system. For its communication link, the channel is not fixed. It can be anyone in the entire band assigned by the servicing area. With each site having multi-channel capabilities that can connect simultaneously to many mobile units. So the MTSO is the heart of the analog cellular mobile system. Its processor provides central coordination and central cellular administration. The cellular switch, which can either analog or digital switches, calls to connect mobile subscribers to other mobile subscribers and to the nationwide telephone network. It uses voice trunks. It also contains data links, providing supervision links between the processor and the switch, and between the cell sites and the processor. The radio link carries the voice and signaling between mobile unit and the cell site. The high-speed data links cannot be transmitted over the standard telephone trunks. Therefore, we use the microwave links or T carriers. Microwave radio links or T carriers carry both voice and data between cell site and MTSO. That is about the analog circuit switching system. So, coming to the digital circuit switching system, it consists of mainly four elements, subsystems: mobile station. You can see this is the mobile station. Base transceiver station. This is the base transceiver station. And next is base station controller. This is the base station controller, and switching subsystem. This is the SS is the switching subsystems. Again, this is the base station, base transceiver station. BSS consists of base transceiver station and base station controller, mobile station, base station controller, base transceiver station, and switching subsystems. These four are the main subsystems in the digital circuit system. So here access to the different services are ISDN, PSKDN, CSPDN, PSTN, PLMN. Okay, so base station system. This is the base station system. Information transmission. The dotted lines are nothing but it indicates the transmission of information, and the solid line indicates the call connections and information transmission in the digital cellular system. So you will see one by one what is the function of mobile station, base station system, and switching subsystems. So coming to mobile station, it consists of two parts: mobile equipment and a SIM we are calling subscriber identity module. SIM contains all subscriber specific data stored on the mobile station side. So coming to base transceiver subsystem, besides having the same function as the analog base transceiver system, it has transmitter, receiver, signaling equipment to operate over air interface. Also contains the transcoder, that is a data adapter unit, TRAW, which carries out coding and decoding as well as the data adaptation in case data rate varies. So coming to base station control, base station control handles power management, time, and frequency synchronization and frequency reallocation of base transceiver systems. Coming to switching subsystems, the main components of the switching subsystems are MSC, VLR, HLR, and AUC, EIR, EC, and OMC is the Operation Maintenance Center. So coming to MSC, this is the hardware part of the switching subsystem. The main function of MSC is to coordinate the setup of calls between mobile station and PSTN using X.25 protocol. This VLR is the digital location register, a database of all mobiles roaming in the mobile station, roaming in the mobile switching center area of control. It is temporary database software similar to the home location register, identifying the subscribers visiting inside the coverage area of the mobile switching center. VLR assigns TMS I that is used to avoid using a IMSI on the air. So HLR is nothing but home location register, a centralized database of all subscribers registered in the public land mobile network. It stores subscriber address, service type, current location, forwarding address, authentication keys, and billing information. Everything is stored in the home location register. In addition to ISDN number, the SIM card is identified by an IMC number. IMC is for internal networking operations. So next, authentication center is also there, provides HLR with authentication parameters and ciphering keys that are used for security purposes. It holds different algorithms that are used for authentication and encryption of the subscribers. So AIR, the equipment identity register, database for storing all registered mobile equipment numbers, identifies the mobile equipment against the fault and theft. This database keeps IMEI that reveals the manufacturer, country of production, and terminal type. So EC is the echo cancellor used on the PSTN side of the mobile switching center for all voice circuits. So XC is a transcoder usually installed in each base transfer station, but for the cost reason, it can be installed in the base which BSC or MSC. So a OMC is the operational and maintenance center. This function resides in analog MSC, but become a separate entity in digital system. Next, coming to the packet switching system. A cellular packet switch system has 6 elements as follows. Mobile station, here we are calling the node. Node B, RNC radio network controller, SGSN service GPRS support node, GGSN gateway GPRS support node, CGF changing gateway function. Really, the cellular the packet switching system. So you can see here, it is having the node B, 2 node B's, the RNS, this type of RNS, many RNS you can have. We are calling that RNC and node B combination as we are calling as UTRAN. Okay, mobile station, UTRAN and SGSN and GGSN. These are the packet switcher system. So mobile station, it provides the voice and packet data services. It is also called UV, user equipment. Node B, the name for base station. We'll call in the previous case as base station. We are calling here as node B in GSM. So RNC, it's the radio network controller, controls the radio services, so resources of the node Bs that are connected to it. Its function is similar to base station controller. A device PCU packet control unit converts the data stream into packet form. This is the one additional one which is having other than the BSC. Packet control unit is there, it converts data stream into packet format. So SGSA, it's a service GPRS support node. It is similar to the mobile switching center and visitor location register in the circuit switching system. This includes mobility management, security, and access control functions. It interfaces to HLR. So GGSN, it's the gateway GPRS support node. The point of interface with external operator networks such as the internet is done by GGSN. CGI is the changing gateway function. It is mainly used for billing purpose. RNS is the radio network subsystem. It consists of RNC and node B. So that is UTRAN, Universal Terrestrial Radio Access Network, consists of 2 or more RNS. This total all the blocks we have explained in the system. So with this lecture is over.